BBQ Rando here. Hey, I got another exclusive demo tonight. This is a fountain by Realtree Fireworks. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this brand. This is really cool. This fountain is called Blaze. And you can see down here the consumer fireworks, the FN143. Here's the top of the fountain. Right, so let's flip it over. And I really like the performance on here. It gives you a little guide. Tells you fountain, which way everything's directed, right? So straight up. You got the colors here, if you can see it. You got the volume, which would be medium, right? The loudness. And then you have the duration. So enjoy a night outdoors with a blazing bonfire of red, green, and gold flyers. The show wraps up with a colorful, crackling finale. This is going to be on the BBQ Rando Ranch. All right, here we are back again. So listen, you guys come back tonight. You're going to see Realtree Fireworks, the Blaze Fountain. Go ahead and get demoed, right? Exclusive on the ranch. All right, off to the launch pad when it gets darker. We'll see you soon. All right, BBQ Rando, we're back and we're at the launch pad. Now, we got the fountain called Blaze by Realtree Fireworks. So, let's go ahead and do this one here tonight. Exclusive demo tonight. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Did you guys see that? Oh my goodness. That was an awesome fountain for a safe and sane state. Raintree Fireworks rules. BBQ. Hey, how you doing,